My dear children, this is also a continuation of join clause. Consider two tables, that is student and fees. Here both of the table having roll number as a common column. Here we are going to discuss about the classifications of equijoin, that is inner join and outer join. Equijoin having also another classifications like left and right. The classifications of equijoin is less important for your syllabus. It is not added in your syllabus. Inner join. The inner join is a classification of equijoin where either of the equivalent queries gives the intersection of two tables. That is, it returns the row which are common in both of the table. It is very similar to the equijoin itself. Look at the figure given. Table 1 and table 2, the inner join only fetches the rows which are similar in both of the table. So, it will fetches only 2, 3, 4. It fetches only 2, 3, 4. The condition is very similar. Here we had given order by clause for getting the roll numbers within a order. That is in a ascending order. 2, 3, 4. The next one, outer join. The outer join keyword returns all rows from the right table with the matching rows in the left table. The result is null in the left side when there is no match. Dear children, if there is no match, the resultant will be only the second table. If there is match, it will fetches the records from the inner table also, so table 1 also. If you are giving the same query, we will get 2, 3, 4 because we are having matching clauses. My dear children, I think you are all clear about what is inner join and outer join. Likewise, we are having left and right join. We can discuss that clauses in online session because that is least important for your curriculum. Only thing you need to study about cross join, equijoin and natural join in depth and how to give the clauses using join clause, on clause and natural join clause. The inner join and outer join depends upon how the query you are giving. I think you are all clear about what is inner join and outer join. Thank you.